tonight with this rare tropical threat building right off the East Coast. Rare because two tropical systems are gaining strength very close to one another. One set to become a hurricane by tomorrow. And the other system, the question, will the two combine? Will their paths be affected by one another? Tropical storm Humberto on the far right there, gaining strength in the Atlantic, likely become a hurricane by tomorrow. The system to the left there growing stronger as well. The potential paths tonight and how they could affect the East Coast. So Lee is standing by to track this. In the Northeast tonight, storms from Philadelphia to New York to Boston, a reported tornado in Pocono Junction, New York. That's north of New York City. But of course, let's start with the tropical threats. This is still hurricane season, of course. WABC Chief Meteorologist Lee Goldberg with us to lead us off. Hi, Lee.
Hi, David. We definitely have concern that's climbing from the southeast coast of the U.S. We'll have a close call potentially early next week. On the tropical map, covering several systems. Of course, Gabrielle's not post-tropical. In the Azores and hurricane conditions, it goes over Portugal, Spain, even Morocco. But Humberto starting to strengthen. Could become a hurricane tomorrow, maybe even a major hurricane as we go over the weekend. It goes in between Bermuda and the U.S. Safely recurs. But it'll have a major influence on the track and strengthening of that system that's soaking parts of Hispaniola right now. Probably becomes Imelda as we go into the Bahamas over the weekend. That'll be close, but notice the trend of our tropical modeling. It is on the table that we have a landfall on the Carolina coast. Not a certainty. The storm hasn't even formed. At the very least, it interacts with that front. And we talk about downpours, some gusty winds, and coastal flooding on the southeast coast early next week. Storms right now in the I-95 corridor in the evening.
Lee Goldberg back with us tonight. Lee will track this right through the next couple of days with you. Thank you. In the meantime, tonight we have